Assalamualaikum all friends. Types of spanner. An open-end spanner. An open-end spanner has U-shaped jaws at both ends and is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Ring spanner. A ring spanner has a closed circular head with internal teeth that grip the nut firmly. Combination spanner. A combination spanner has an open end on one side and a ring end on the other side. Adjustable spanner. An adjustable spanner has a movable jaw that can be adjusted to fit different size of nuts. Socket spanner. A socket spanner is removable sockets and a handle to turn nuts and bolts easily. Box spanner. A box spanner is a tubular spanner used for deep set nuts and bolts. Allen spanner. Hex key. An Allen spanner is used for hexagonal sockets, screws and bolts. Torque spanner. Torque wrench and torque spanner is used to apply a specific amount of torque to a nut or bolt. Flare nut spanner. A flare nut spanner is specially designed to grip soft nuts without damaging them. Ratchet spanner. A ratchet spanner allows continuously movement without removing it from the nut. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and good comment.